Life is one big fancy dress party. It is an art of wearing an amazing or unusual costume as a part of theme. As it always a pleasure to watch the toddlers dress up as different characters. So we are presenting top 10 little Corona warriors who are playing very important role in this difficult time. These coronavirus helpers have been working since COVID-19 outbreak. The unsung heroes of nation are being thanked in different ways. When everybody is sitting home, the doctors, the nurses, the policemen, the delivery boys, the fruit sellers and vegetable vendors each are working in order to contain coronavirus. So this is the beautiful effort by Dr. MPS World School toddlers to thank COVID-19 warriors. It is overwhelming to see our little ones speaking confidently. This activity helped the students of primary classes to bring out their inner talent, give them a platform to build their inner confidence and inner strength. Now, hold your heart, everyone. Here are top 10 little COVID-19 warriors of Dr. MPS World School. Now, here is the cutest Dr. Alifia from class nursery A.
Hi, my name is Arfi Khan. I am a doctor due to corona epidemic. Please stay home, it is safe. Wash your hands often. Keep distance. Hold your feet.
You, Alifia. God cannot be everywhere. So he sent the doctor with excellence and with selfness. Now, here is a Dr. Devik Yadav from class nursery A. Thank you, Devik Yadav. Now, I would like to call our another doctor who is guiding us that how we can protect ourselves from COVID-19. Yachi Gupta from class KGA.
Hi everyone, I want to say thanks to doctors and their team. Please follow some safety to stop COVID-19. Number 1, wash your hands often. Number 2, wear your mask. Number 3, avoid gathering. Number 4, body temperature check daily. Number 5, never touch your face with unclean hands. Bye. Thank you. Please stay at home. Save your life. Bye.
Thank you, Yachi Gupta. Now I would like to call most responsible Corona warrior who help us to keep our surrounding clean and green. Ajit Maheshwari from class KGA.
Hello friends. I am Corona warrior. I clean rooms. Always use sanitizer. Stay home. Stay safe.
Thank you, Ajit Maheshwari. Now here's our cutest vegetable vendor who is selling vegetables by following all the instructions given by our respected Prime Minister Shivi Gupta from class KGA.
My name is शिवी गुप्ता. आज मैं सब्जी वाली बनी हूँ. आज मैं कैटो वायरस के ऊपर एक मैसेज भेज रही हूँ. थैंक यू. सब्जी ले लो सब्जी. भैया कैसी चाहिए सब्जी? आप दीदी आपने मास्क नहीं लगाया है. अरे भैया मैं भूल गई थी. आप पहले सैनिटाइजर से हाथ धोए. हमारे प्रधानमंत्री ने बोला है कि हमें अपनी सफाई का ध्यान रखना चाहिए और दूरी का भी.
Thank you, Shivi Gupta. Farming is not just a job, it is a way of life. So here is our farmer Sahej from class KGB.
नाम सहज सिंह है. मैं हूँ किसान देश के लोगों की भूख का करता हूँ इंतजाम। बारिश सर्दी गर्मी में भी करता हूँ मैं खेतों में काम। इस कोरोना महामारी से बचने के लिए कुछ बातों का ध्यान रखें। पहला, 1 मीटर की दूरी पर रहें। दूसरा, घर पे रहें। और 3, साबुन से बार बार हाथ धोएं। और चौथा, मुंह पर मास्क लगा के रखें। आई एम अ कोरोना वॉरियर।
Thank you, Sahej. They give up their life to learn how doctors save our life. So, I would like to call a doctor, Inaya Ali from class KGB.
हेलो, आई एम अ डॉक्टर, आई एम अ कोरोना वॉरियर। अगर कोरोना से बचना है तो फिर घर पे रहना चाहिए। बार बार अपने हाथ सैनिटाइज करना चाहिए और सोशल डिस्टेंस का ख्याल रखना चाहिए और मुंह पर मास्क लगाना चाहिए और छींकते और खांसते समय अपने मुंह पर रुमाल रखना चाहिए। कोरोना को हराना है, देश को जिताना है। स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Inaya Ali. Now, here's our smartest, smallest, cutest vegetable vendor, Shivanya from class KGB.
सब्जी ले लो, आलू ले लो, प्याज ले लो। सब्जी दे देना। आप मुझसे 6 फुट दूर रहो। कोरोना वायरस चल रहा है, अब बाहर नहीं आना। मैं सबके घर पे सब्जी देने आऊंगी। इन सब्जियों को अच्छे से गर्म पानी से धो लेना और हाथों को सैनिटाइज करके। मैं बताती हूँ।
Thank you, Shivanya. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way of others. So here is the teacher Divyanka from class KGB.
हम हैं टीचर्स, हम लड़ेंगे कोरोना से। जब पड़ेगा भारत तो बढ़ेगा भारत। वी आर कोरोना फाइटर्स। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, Divyanka. Heroes don't wear expensive dresses. They wear a police uniform. So here is a policeman, Somil from class 1B.
मेरा नाम है इंस्पेक्टर सोमिल पांडे। घर से बाहर निकलोगे तो पड़ेंगे डंडे। सेफ रहो, घर पे रहो। जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
Thank you, Somil. The students showcased their talent cheerfully. They were smartly dressed and participated with much enthusiasm and filled everybody with entering arts considered. Now I would like to call my co-anchor.
Clothes make a statement. Costumes tell a story. A very good morning to one and all. And also welcome our little bundles of joy. Our participants of today's Fancy Dress Competition. Fancy Dress Competition are not just about creative costumes, but also about the way a child carries himself and enacts the character. So without wasting any more time, let us begin with Fancy Dress Competition. When we are in our home, our sweepers on the ground duty, 24/7. So here is Arav with his performance. Hello everyone, my name is Arav Saxena. I will present myself as a sweeper. I ensure to keep our city clean and tidy. As you know, coronavirus is infected so many people, so please stay home and stay safe. Wash your hands in every half an hour. Maintain social distancing. Use mask on your face. Please help the poor. Please download Arogya Setu app in your mobile. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.
Thanks, Arav, for your performance. It's not easy to find truth behind a story, but our reporters do. So, with a huge round of applause, please welcome Myra on stage.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, मेरा नाम मायरा मादन है। मैं दूसरी कक्षा की छात्रा हूँ और आज का मेरा विषय है पत्रकार। पत्रकार वो लोग होते हैं जो हम तक सच्ची और पूरी खबर पहुँचाते हैं और हमारे देश में हो रही घटनाओं के बारे में हमें बताते हैं, चाहे वो राजनीतिक हो या क्रिकेट हो या हमारे देश में हमारे देश में फैली हुई महामारी हो। आप सबको तो पता ही होगा, कोरोना नामक महामारी हमारे देश में फैली चली जा रही है और इसके मरीजों की संख्या भी धीरे धीरे कर बढ़ रही है। इस महामारी से जंग जीतने के लिए हमारे देश के डॉक्टर, सफाई कर्मी, पुलिस और हमारे प्रिय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी भी जी जान लगा रहे हैं। इस महामारी से जंग जीतने के लिए हमें आपकी साथ की जरूरत है। आप रहे हैं घर पर, इसलिए हम हैं सड़कों पर। आपका एक गलत कदम आपके पूरे परिवार पे भारी पड़ सकता है। घर पे रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए। धन्यवाद।
So much of effort, it has to be appreciated. Please give a huge round of applause for all participants. We are all in this together and will get out from it together. With this message of COVID-19 epidemic, here is Yuvraj as a doctor.
Hello my brave Indians, I am a doctor who is serving our nation by treating the COVID-19 patients. I am very glad to see that my citizens are following the guidelines given by the Prime Minister. As a doctor, it's my duty to remind you the precautions for being safe from this pandemic. First, wash your hands 3 to 4 times in a day. Second, wear mask when going out. Third, keep social distancing. Fourth, stay at home and follow the lockdown. So, stay home and stay safe. India fights.
Wonderful message, Yuvraj. Staying home helps protect those around you and slow the spread of the virus. With this message, here is our doctor Angel Gupta.
एग्रो सेफ की डॉक्टर तुलसी रानी मैं रिकमेंड करती हूँ, क्योंकि ये मेरी घर बनी हुई तुलसी की 5 प्रकार की रेसिपीज, तो ये बॉडी को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर रोगों को दूर भगाती है। एग्रो सेफ की डॉक्टर तुलसी रानी, तो आप भी कीजिए रोजाना इस्तेमाल एग्रो सेफ की डॉक्टर तुलसी रानी। ये है एंटीसेप्टिक, एंटीबायोटिक एंड एंटीऑक्सीडेंट। इसके रोजाना इस्तेमाल से बॉडी की सभी प्रकार की इन्फेक्शन दूर होती है। तो आप भी कीजिए रोजाना इस्तेमाल एग्रो सेफ की डॉक्टर तुलसी रानी। ये प्रकृति का वरदान है।
Beautiful message, Angel. A farmer is a magician who produces money from the mud. So here is Adhya Tomar to give more light on this.
Namaste everyone, my name is Adhya. My school name is Dr. Empress World School. I study in class 2nd B. Today I am playing the role of a farmer. A farmer is the most important person in our country. He grows crops and works very hard. He gets up early in the morning and begins to work till evening. We get food to eat because the farmer plays a major role to us. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Thank you.
Very good gesture and nice performance, Adhya. Keep it up.
I congratulate to all the participants. You all have done a dynamic show. What matters most in such competitions is not winning and losing, but participation. On behalf of the whole team of Dr. MPS World School, I have a great pleasure in welcoming our Honorable Principal Sir.
Good morning, students, members of staff, and my dear parents. And today I just want to say a big thank you to all of you who've participated in this fancy dress competition. I know there's so many things that are required for a fancy dress competition. It's not only the clothes, but also the background, and there's a lot of things that you need to teach the child. In the absence of teachers, but the guidance that they're giving you online, I really felt that this was awesome. So God bless you all for this wonderful fancy dress, and it brought a smile to me, and when I share it with others, it brings a smile to them. When children are in fancy dress during lockdown, that is how you defeat anything that is boring. God bless you and have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for being with us. This competition is organized to promote and showcase the talent and creativity of little kids. So I am thankful to all participants to make this event wonderful, magnificent, even marvelous. Thank you and stay home, stay safe.